What is up, my good people? What is up? Welcome back to a new video. There's gonna be a two-parter video. I'm gonna make two videos in one. I'm gonna talk about the drop that's gonna happen tonight, but it's happened Friday, which is Sunday now that I'm dropping this video. I gotta do this every time. But anyway, we're gonna talk about the last Orgy 2 drop. Also some other news dealing with Nigo, human made, and things like that. So with that being said, let's get right to the video. So first, we're gonna talk about Nigo and Takahashi, which is the owner of Undercover. And Takahashi took Nigo in, and Nigo like learned up under him when he was younger, and they both collaborated on a lot of things as it was coming up with their brands. So we're just gonna talk about what's going on with this drop that they're doing together called The Last Orgy. So The Last Orgy 2, I'm gonna just read it off. Y'all can just read it on the screen as I'm reading it off to y'all. So this is what it's about. On Saturday, February 5th, Human Made and Undercover will release Last Orgy 2 collection. Last Orgy 2 was a title of an editorial series that Undercover founder and the designer Jun Takahashi and Human Made founder designer Nigo had and edited for Takarama Gemma, that's how you say it, I'm sorry if I'm butchering it, magazine in the early 1990s. In addition, the name Last Orgy was attached to an original brand that was released irregularly in the shop Nowhere, opened by Takahashi and Nigo in Harajuku in 1993. In 2021, the series was revived with a new name, Last Orgy 2.1 in GQ Japan magazine. With this revive, Last Orgy 2 items make a comeback in this collaboration between Human Made and Undercover. A total of 5 items will be released, including a Coach jacket, hoodie sweatshirt, a sweatshirt, and 2 t-shirt designs. Some of these items feature the Girls Don't Cry design by the graphic artist Verdi, who designed the title lettering of the Last Orgy 2.1 series in GQ Japan magazine, making these items a 3-way collaboration, available from Human Made and Undercover in different colorways. The following items will be available on Human Made and Human Made online store. So that is all it's about. So let's get right into the collection that they're gonna drop. All right, so we have a navy and green Coach jacket, and on the back it says Last Orgy 2, also with like an 8 head in the middle, and it looked like the 8 from Planet of the Apes, like from the old Planet of the Apes movie. So also we have the number 2 in front of the Coach jacket as well. So you can expect that from the Coach jacket. I think I know what I'm gonna get from this drop, but I'll get to that once I get to it. So next, we got the Last Orgy 2 hoodies. We have it in heather gray. Also, we have this in the navy hoodie as well. And we got this in the red print and white print as well on the front. And also we have something, I don't know, what is that? I think it says Girls Don't Cry on the sleeves right here. I can't really tell, but it look like Girls Don't Cry on the sleeve. So next we got the sweatshirts. We got it in the heather gray, also in navy blue as well. But this one has like the green print and white print. I kind of like the green print a little bit more on the heather gray than the white on the navy blue. So I prefer the green over that. Either way, dope, 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 dope. And for the t-shirts, we have it in black. It says Last Orgy 2 in black. I'm gonna pass on this one, but I'm thinking about getting this last one right here. It's the Last Orgy 2 on the front as well, with the like the Planet of the Apes dude on the front. I like this one a little bit more, so this is what I'm thinking about going for out of everything that's on here. But I think these some dope pieces that they dropped. I like how Nigo like do random drops throughout his Human Made drops, like to spice it up a little bit and change it up. Yeah, I really like this drop. I can't be mad at it. So if anybody feel like they gonna get anything out of this drop, let me know. Put it down in the comment section below. We can talk about it. It's a pretty small drop, but it's a lot within this drop as well. And yeah, I hope everybody get what they want from this drop, so good luck on that. Let's get to the rest of the video. All right, so the second part of the video, we're just gonna talk about things that been going on with Nigo, Human Made, Kenzo, LV, all that stuff. So we're gonna get right into that part of the video. I'm gonna try to make it fast, sweet, and simple, and straight to the point. I don't wanna hold y'all for too long on this part of the video, so let's get into it. So first, we're gonna talk about the shipping and the shipping time that we have been experiencing since this year started. Yeah, so let's get right into it. For example, with the shipping, I've noticed myself, and I would get more into it after what I'm about to say. So for example, the shipping has went up a lot since Human Made switched back to EMS, because EMS deal mostly with international shipping. Before, we were so used to Human Made shipping through FedEx, and now they switched back to EMS. And now that they went back to EMS, I noticed, and everybody else has noticed, that the shipping has skyrocketed with the shipping through EMS compared to FedEx. For example, as you all can see on the screen, I bought the human made like iPhone case for my phone right here that I have right here in my hand. And I'm just looking at my receipt, and the case cost me 2,500 yen, right? As you all can see, but the shipping up under is 2,400 yen. When it comes to like my shipping is 2,400 yen, which is 100 yen less than the actual item that I bought, which is insane. Like, it just doesn't make sense for me to pay all that money for this little case that doesn't weigh but like a couple of grams. But I get it, again, it's international, and I wish they would go back to FedEx because the shipping just seemed a little bit more reasonable when it came to international shipping. But with them going EMS, it'd probably be a little bit cheaper for human made because they probably have like cheaper rates for them compared to FedEx. But that's probably why they went back to EMS, because it's a little bit more cheaper for them to ship. So I understand that, but yeah. This is just for the people, like, if y'all really want that certain item, like right then and there from human made, just go ahead and buy it. And if you want it, just get it. But if not, just wait and look at other retailers that human made sell their stuff to. Just check out on their site and just look out for things that they may have dropped from human made website, maybe on the retailer site. It may be like a couple dollars more on their retailer site, but you're gonna get a little bit more leniency when it comes to shipping. So just stick out for that. Also, the shipping time has been way longer than we expected. Yeah, it took a month for me to get that human made the bulldog pillow. Like, it just came in probably like 2 days ago. And I ordered that on the 4th or the something like that of February, like the first week of February when it dropped. I think it was the first or second week. It was the second week of human made drop, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, don't hold me to it. It was early January when that dog collection dropped, and I'm just now getting it. So yeah, it normally would take like a week for me to get it from FedEx, but now it take a little bit longer so they ship it through EMS. So I understand everybody's frustration with that. So if you really want that certain item, just get it. Just get that item if you want to bite the bullet on the cost. So yeah, that's that. Also, shout out to Nigo. Congratulations on his Kenzo fashion show that he had, like the runway show that he had. I thought it was really cool. I like a lot of the pieces that he dropped. He's now dropping some of the pieces from that fashion show. And I want to get that blanket, the one that similar to the human made blanket that I've been picking up. Some of y'all probably already have yourselves. It's like a red blanket that just says Kenzo on it. So I'm like, I want to add that to the collection as well. So I'm gonna just keep my eye out for that blanket. And there was a lot of the dope stuff. They got some t-shirts, this dope like down jacket, and a whole bunch of other stuff that they've been dropping. But other than that, shout out to Nigo and congratulations on running Kenzo. This dude is a busy man. Like, I can't even, like, he got a lot of stuff going on from human made, LV, Kenzo, his restaurants, dropping albums. I'm gonna get into that later, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So Nigo got a lot of stuff going on. Again, shout out to him. And again, shout out to Nigo for the next part. He got his album coming out at the end of the month with ASAP Rocky, Kid Cudi, Tyler Creator, Pharrel, and a whole bunch of other people that's gonna be on it. Pusha T. He already dropped a single with ASAP Rocky. If y'all haven't found that or listened to it yet or looked at the video, just look up Nigo name on YouTube. It'll pop up. It's probably like the #1 search thing on YouTube, like dealing with Nigo. So check that out. Dope song. Again, I'm glad they dropped that single because I want to see more ASAP Rocky, bro. Like, bro, we need you, and congratulations on you and Rihanna on y'all baby. I'm jealous. You're a lucky man. You are a lucky man. And also, I'm trying to cut back on cussing. I was about to cuss, but I'm just trying to cut back on that and make my content a little bit more friendly. Kind of friendly, but a little bit mature at the same time. But yeah, congratulations on that. It's a lot of dope things going on. I can't really talk about right now, but y'all will see it in the coming weeks that I'm gonna be showing. And I'm so excited for this year, man. And a lot of good stuff is like on the up and up. I promise y'all, man, it's a lot of good things in the works for me. I'm seeing things going on with my friends, my family, things like that, and my subscribers. Y'all been hitting me up in the DM, just making me feel like I'm doing something good. I'm doing something right because y'all loving the content. motivating me this year. So I'm gonna try to give y'all my best. I'm giving y'all my all. I know some of y'all probably already clicked out the video because I'm talking and talking and talking, but that is fine, that is okay. But for the people that stuck around to listen, I appreciate every single one of you that stopped by and listen and watch my videos. So I'm gonna give y'all that content 1,000 times more and better than what I can. And just enjoy the process and just give y'all more content, different content, things that y'all can enjoy. So this is gonna be a dope ass year. I'm kicking it off right. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. I've came a long way from the past 2 years, just looking at the old videos that I've been dropping, that I dropped before this, just looking at where I'm at now, even though I'm just still little. I'm a small fish in a big ass pond. So again, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I appreciate all the love and support. Catch y'all next one. Peace.